We've had some really good talks today on Gaza with both the Middle East representatives and kings and all of the top leaders in the Middle East. And we had also a very good conversation with Bibi Netanyahu, trying to get the hostages back, and we're trying to get the end of the Gaza situation through.
What's going on in Gaza is absolutely unbearable. It's true that Gaza today, people are experiencing hell in all its possible facets. It's quite common now today to hear in Gaza that people just dream to be able to properly die rather than to go through this suffering. It says a lot. On a daily basis, you have the equivalent of a full classroom of children dying, one every hour, 25, 28 on a daily basis. So I think it's very important to keep, expressing total outrage on what's going on. And of course, what part of our frustration is that this outrage has not yet been translated into meaningful action, putting an end to the atrocity that we are recording on a daily basis.
What would you say to President Netanyahu?
Put an end to this hell. We need to put an end. When we talk about a deliberate or man-made famine, that means it can be addressed through a political decision. Now, the political decision is right now in his hand, or in the hand of anyone who can influence this decision. It's not as complicated as it is when you are dealing with a famine in Sudan or in Somalia. You do not have all the element in your hand. But when it is as fabricated as it is in Gaza, only a political will, political decision can end this madness.